so make sure you stay tuned. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then welcome to my channel. It is Day back again with another video for y'all. So you guys, I want to do this intro really quick because I am starving. I am so hungry and I want to make a chicken bowl or a Chipotle bowl for lunch. So I have everything behind me kind of out and prepped and everything, because when I say I want to make this in like 10 minutes or less, real quick snack, okay? So yeah, long story short, I've been seeing these Chipotle bowls all over TikTok, because like we got Chipotle at home, I think it's like the trend or whatever. So yeah, I've been seeing that, and I haven't had Chipotle in like a year, maybe like a year and a half. I had a really bad experience with them where I had a chicken bowl and I literally was sick for like a week. I could not eat anything. Like I was so sick, like, and I was eating it and it just, something was not right to me. So yeah, I haven't had Chipotle ever since that bad experience, but I've been really craving, you know, a bowl like that. And you know, we got food at home, so let's go ahead and hop into it. I want to make some lunch and I'm probably gonna eat this for dinner as well. So yes, I have everything set out. I'm gonna tell you guys all the ingredients that I'm gonna be using based on the videos that I've seen and what I like in my Chipotle bowl. So I have some chicken breast. I went ahead and cleaned my chicken breast and everything, and then I'm about to get ready to marinate my chicken real quick and throw it in this sauce. It's the Chipotle's peppers and Adobo sauce. So it looks like this right here. So I'm gonna put this on it on TikTok. They say like this is the vibe, this is the vibe. Next I have some easy, quick cilantro rice. I was gonna make it by hand because I do have the cilantro and I do have the lime. But like I said, it's gonna be real quick because I'm really hungry. So we're just gonna use this pre-made cilantro lime rice instead. And like I said, I do have a lime and I do have some cilantro that is browning. So I wanna hurry up and use this. But I might use it as like a garnish. So next we have black beans and we have corn. We have some sour cream. I like the squeezable one, but this one was cheaper, so we got this one. And then we got some mozzarella. I don't know what exactly is the cheese they use at Chipotle. I think it's like a blend, but I got mozzarella to try it out. Lastly, I wasn't making this from scratch. You can if you want to, that's your business. But I got this pre-made guac and pico container. This was at Kroger. I'm sure they do it at Kroger in Publix. So yeah, pre-made guac and pico as well. So let's go ahead and hop into it. I'm really hungry and I hope this takes like 10 minutes or less. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get the sides started because I feel like they really don't take that long. I got this can opener from Amazon, so it'll be linked in my Amazon storefront. Got them nails, you just gotta use anything you can find. Just like that. Okay, so this is how the peppers look. I am a little scared, a little worried, but we're gonna go through it. I'm gonna put it in here with the chile and with a little of the slap your mama. And I'm just trying to put it on the chicken. Put a little blackening. We're gonna do some adobo and some garlic powder. And I have to do the other two strips, but we're gonna go ahead and put some oil in the pan. started on the rice, which is super easy. So I just kind of tear it on 2 sides. Honestly, do everything the way that you want to do it. It's really not that hard to make from scratch, but we don't have that type of time today. So yeah, I like to open it on the sides a little bit. And I like to put a little bit of water. And then I like to put it on, I think it says for 90 minutes, but I like to do it for like 2-3 minutes because I don't know, it don't be cooked enough, you know, like it be hard still or whatever. So I'm gonna do it my way and you do it your way. Oh, and then another thing is you have to like separate it, so you kind of gotta like mix it, like mash it a little bit so the rice isn't like stuck together. But not too hard because you don't want like smushy or like mushed up rice. So yeah, just very like lightly separate the rice in the bag. So I'm gonna add a little bit, just a little bit of butter to my pan. So now we're just gonna start plating everything. I'm so excited, I'm so hungry, y'all don't even understand. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and plate everything. So I'm gonna use this bowl and do the little rice trick y'all already know. Okay, so I did mess it up, but we're gonna go ahead and clean it up. We're gonna clean it up. We're gonna clean it up. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. The side's starting to crumble, but not bad, not bad. Ah, no! The struggles. So I think I'm gonna do the pico first. I more so want the bell peppers and tomatoes, not really the onions so much. It's like that. I'm so scared. I might not be able to dump it, y'all. I might can do like section. Yeah, I'd rather do it in like sections. So this is hot. I have to move kind of fast. So we're just gonna pivot a little bit. I don't know exactly where I should have placed this. I might leave a little space right here for the chicken. I think the chicken would be really good by the Pico. So I'm just gonna put the beans right here. Messing stuff up. Alright, so next we're gonna do the cheese. I'm just gonna put that like right there. Maybe. Okay, so next is gonna be the corn. We're gonna try to put that like right there. Next we're gonna go ahead and just chop up this chicken, and I'm gonna put a pepper in there too. But I'm just gonna chop it up like really fine, and it's really easy to cut because girl, this thing been cooking, it's been marinating. Nice juicy chicken, nice juicy chicken, and then cut up the pepper as well. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. I'm about to cut up the other chicken and put it in there, and then put the guac in there. Okay, so this is the vibes. The last thing to put is the guac, and then we're done. Oh my gosh, and then I forgot all about the sour cream, so I'm just gonna put the sour cream right there. I didn't even peep that it low-key looks like this picture right here that's been on my counter literally forever, but it kind of looks like that, but my version. So yeah, this is what my bowl turned out to look like. Give y'all a closer look. You can just see everything. Oh, it looks so good. I cannot wait. I feel like it didn't take that long, but obviously filming and trying to set it up aesthetically pleasing took some time. You can definitely cook this in like 10 minutes or so. The longest thing is really the prep and like the chicken, because there's so many different like things, but if you go the quick way like I did, 10 minutes or so. Okay, so I got a little bit of everything on my spoon, and y'all know I always give y'all like the first, you know, taste test or whatever. Another bite. I just love that I can do this for myself. Like, I really love that for me. Like, I'm so proud, I'm so happy. I've been wanting to do this video for a really long time, actually. I've been thinking about Chipotle for a while, and I just knew in my heart that I wasn't gonna go back. It's no slander to them, you know, if you eat it, you eat it. But after that bad experience, I was not going back, and I'm just so glad that I can have like the taste of it at home. And I just love that, like, we got food at home. I love that I can do this for myself. I really do. And I love adding like new recipes, you know, to the mix. Cause I don't know about y'all, but I just quickly get over eating the same thing over and over, or like every single week. So I like adding new recipes, you know, in the mix of different little things. So yeah, I'm gonna go enjoy my lunch, and I'm gonna eat this again later for dinner because I have like more chicken left over and stuff. So I'm about to go enjoy my lunch, and I'll catch you guys next time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, a comment, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. I love you guys.